Chiefs izofuna uprove this thing ukuthi we akusi mistake if look ukuthi win in a bank, but phela when you won with luck akungeke we continue. I mean their coach mina I doubt that kanye mbonile manje adlala neAsante Kotoko. I saw because bekumele abe ne best 11 by then. We're talking about 2 weeks before.
Yeah.
The coach is supposed to have a best 11 by then. A combination bekumele ngabe na. But the same. I saw his team. Ngizwile ngihlelo Michael ku podcast athi Chiefs dominate udlala against physical side team. Bantu aba static. They are very aggressive physical. Abadlali badlala ngama second ball. Bekumele ngabe dominate the game. We're talking about the passing game. Ngibona basashota ngo number 6 number 10 abanayo. Wingers basasebenzisa right forward and left. Umodi uLiliep. Nothing will change. And then you change to Silva, Chiva Varro, Chiva Varro, ulethu Silva. Same. Angazi ngibahamba nkuleko. Uhambise ngibona uNdlovu yesungenile. Bane hope abantu amaMiracle ukuthi maybe bangayenza. Maybe but mina lenzeka ngoNdlovu ngicala ukuyibona. You understand? If he was real uNdlovu real, bekumele yenze ku Pirates mabecede kumthenga. You won young player of the season by then.
Yeah.
It's a realistic.
Yeah, it was disappointing. That's a good point. It was disappointing at the level he was.
He was not graduating.
Respect United, he was a midfielder of the season, yes. And then he didn't achieve with Pirates. But what's positive about him is that he revived his career with SuperSport.
Yes, the thing is, it's a bit difficult. He ends up going to week in and week out to another fans. Go Pirates, APC Municipal League, whereby we have yes, big men have Umarta Zang, and then he goes somewhere where chat experience. When we've got Abungo Chabona Lumfanur, it didn't take time. My Bennett Sundowns now, Yamba Nungena.